Loiter Street. So there's nobody in Nairobi right now. We have only few people. Very few people in Nairobi. We have dancers everywhere. So the Gen Zs of Kenya, they like street performance. See them dancing. This is the famous city market. This is Koinange Street. So right now I'm in Koinange Street. Before Koinange Street had a bad reputation, but right now I think it is better. So this is a city market. Yeah, this wall on my right hand side, this is the city market. So here you will find fish. Yeah, you find you need flowers. So let me see if we can go inside. We see. Hii barabara inatokelea ile side nyingine? Inatoka huko? Hapa? Asante. So this is one of the oldest market in Nairobi city market. So here you will find fish, all kinds of meat. Today, naangalia tu. So this place is closed for business today, so it is not that busy. So you can come here during weekdays. You see, there's a lot of things. Yeah, so you can see a lot of curios. So it is usually busy. Today, not that much busy.
So unataka za kiasi gani?
So you can get flowers, the African things. So the curio shops, African clothes. The giraffe. So here you can find all kinds of meat. You need chicken, uh, chicken, fish, all kinds of meat. So here we have one of the biggest mosques also here in Nairobi. I think they call it Jamia Mosque. So I'll show you. This is Jamia Mosque. So here we have so this is the biggest mosque, which is in the CBD of Nairobi. So I'll show you, yeah, from the other side. So this street today is not that busy. Actually, this is the biggest mosque. So it is called Jamia Mosque. So you find all kind of hawkers here. So the warriors. So this is Jamia Mosque. I think you'll see it from this side. It's one of the biggest mosques in the Nairobi CBD. So right now I'm heading to, that is the Nation Center building. And then we have the Macmillan Library, the biggest library in Nairobi. Yeah, it's the biggest library in Nairobi. So everywhere we have content creators. So Sunday is a busy day in Kenya. We have a lot of content creators on the street, a lot of dancers. No wonder you see Kenya as a country is big online, because a lot of youths are young people actually. They are on the internet. So actually I will close the street from here. But these streets in Nairobi, they are not always safe. It's not safe, especially if you are new around Nairobi. Don't use this kind of streets. Just use the main roads. Yeah, because there are so much risk, especially during the day. There's no problem. Like here, there's security. So this one, Seems nice. So I'm in Moy Avenue right now. Yeah. So this is another street, but you should always be aware of your environment. Don't just walk aimlessly in Nairobi. Yeah, these people, they can catch you off guard and they'll steal from you. Yeah, so yeah, I think I will cross from this side. Ni aje? Poa poa.
Unataka gani sister?
So this is the fire station, Nairobi fire station. So right now I'm at, this is Tomboya Street. Um, yeah, I want to cross to downtown Nairobi. So right now I've just crossed to downtown. From here now, here is downtown. That's why you see a lot of matatus. The more you are uptown, there are less matatus. But the more you are downtown, there's a lot of matatus. Yeah, so always like that. So this is the Marble Arc Hotel. There's a nice building. Yeah, there's a nice hotel. So every minute from now, I think my vlog will end because my battery is getting low, and today I have one battery because I only had one mission in Nairobi. Yeah, to record that to